Look at this place. It's the classic haunted house scenario. Peeling paint, broken windows, and completely overgrown landscaping. Honestly, most people would just tear it down and start over. But as designers, we see the massive potential hiding underneath all that neglect. Those incredible Victorian bones are just waiting to be saved. Today, we aren't just showing you one renovation. We're exploring 12 totally distinct, mind-blowing ways to bring this ruin back to life and maximize its potential. If you love seeing a diamond in the rough get polished, you are going to be obsessed with these transformations. This first option is a stunning modern farmhouse interpretation. We've gone with a moody, dark charcoal palette for both the painted brick and the new vertical wood siding, topped with a sleek standing seam metal roof. The massive new windows completely modernize the facade and would flood the interior with light. The landscaping is minimalist and clean, using architectural brasses and river stones along a poured concrete path. This sleek, high-contrast look is perfect for design-conscious families or young professionals. It fits beautifully in modern suburbs across the U.S., from the Pacific Northwest down to new developments in Texas. Here, we are leaning into warmth and restoration. We kept the original red brick on the bay window section to honor the history, but contrasted it with beautiful clear cedar siding on the rest of the house. The new slate roof and traditional window pane styles respect the home's vintage architecture, while the large olive trees and modern concrete planters add a contemporary European touch. This is a sophisticated, timeless look, ideal for established families who want character without the upkeep of old materials. It's a perfect fit for mature neighborhoods in the Northeast US or older suburbs in Toronto and Vancouver. This design is pure modern minimalism. We've completely smoothed out the facade with crisp white stucco, eliminating almost all ornate details for a clean slate. The windows are now huge, frameless sheets of glass, making a bold, contemporary statement. The landscaping is a major feature here, utilizing a geometric paver driveway and drought-tolerant xeriscaping with sculptural agave plants. This ultra-clean aesthetic is perfect for executives or retirees wanting a low-maintenance, high-impact home. It's tailor-made for the sunny climates of Southern California, Arizona, or even modern coastal Florida. Look at this bold approach to color blocking. We painted the existing brick a deep, rich navy blue and contrasted it with smooth, light gray architectural panels on the upper right section. The black window frames and thick trim tie it all together, creating a sharp transitional look that bridges traditional form with modern materials. The landscaping is a bit looser here, featuring native grasses and ferns for a softer, organic feel against the strong architecture. This playful yet sophisticated style is great for growing families. It would fit perfectly in progressive neighborhoods in cities like Denver, Chicago, or Minneapolis. This option screams luxury and permanence. We've introduced a beautiful textured stone veneer on the main body of the house and paired it with rich, dark wood siding. Notice the high-end details, like the copper gutters and roof accents, that will patina beautifully over time. The landscaping is lush and classic, packed with masses of hydrangeas and manicured hedges along a substantial bluestone walkway. This estate-like feel is suited for affluent buyers looking for a forever home. It's ideal for upscale suburbs in Connecticut, Westchester County, New York, or exclusive areas outside of Toronto. Here is the quintessential bright, modern farmhouse vibe. We have white painted brick, mixed with crisp white board and batten siding. The natural wood tones on the thick porch columns, the swing, and the front door add incredible warmth to the white backdrop. The dark metal roof provides that necessary pop of industrial contrast. The landscaping is soft and inviting, with a crunchy gravel path and abundant white hydrangeas. This approachable, cheery design is perfect for young families and is incredibly popular right now across the American South, the Midwest, and really anywhere people crave that welcoming aesthetic. Now for something dramatic. This is a monochromatic, all-black transformation. We painted absolutely everything: the brick, the siding, the trim, and the metal roof in a matte black finish. It turns the Victorian silhouette into something almost sculptural and incredibly modern. The integrated LED strip lighting along the walkway and porch really pops against the dark facade at night. The landscaping uses architectural agave plants and dark mulch to enhance the moody vibe. This bold statement home is for a trendsetter, perfect for an edgy urban neighborhood in Los Angeles, New York, or Miami. We're embracing a rustic craftsman aesthetic with this design. We used a rugged stone veneer on the bay window section and covered the rest in warm, natural cedar shake shingles. The copper downspouts and the beautiful stained wood front door with craftsman glass inserts add so much character. The landscaping is incredibly lush, featuring ferns, hostas, and a small bubbling water feature to create a tranquil entry. It's a cozy, inviting look suited for nature lovers, perfect for the Pacific Northwest, mountain towns in Colorado, or cottage country in Ontario. This is full-on industrial chic. We kept some of the original red brick, but clad the major central sections of the house in large panels of Corten steel, which has that distinct weathered orange patina. We even used steel I-beams for the porch supports and a heavy industrial front door to complete the look. The landscaping is severe and geometric, with large concrete stepping stones. This raw, textured look is for someone who wants an architectural statement piece. It fits well in converted industrial areas of cities like Detroit, Pittsburgh, or trendy neighborhoods in Brooklyn. Let's analyze this Scandinavian-inspired design. It's clean, bright, and focuses on natural materials. We have smooth light gray render contrasting with beautiful pale blonde vertical wood siding. The porch railing is minimalist white, and the dark gray metal roof keeps it sharp. The landscaping is simple and serene, featuring birch trees and modern spherical lawn lights. This airy, peaceful design is great for minimalists and wellness-focused individuals. It's a natural fit for the Pacific Northwest, Nordic-influenced areas of the Midwest, or modern Canadian neighborhoods. We've taken the Victorian bones straight to the tropics with this modern brutalist approach. The facade is clad in large format gray stone tiles, accented by stark black trim and integrated strip lighting that makes the new flat roofline elements appear to float. We even opened up the corner of the second floor with a wraparound glass window. The landscaping is heavily tropical, with palms and lush undergrowth in large concrete planters. This sleek resort-style home is designed for luxury living in hot climates, perfect for South Florida, Southern California, or coastal Australia. Our final transformation focuses heavily on sustainability and eco-design. We painted the brick a deep forest green and used natural wood siding as an accent. A real stars here, however, are the living green roofs on the porch and dormers, along with solar panels integrated into the main roof. The walkway uses permeable pavers to manage rainwater, and the landscaping is a native pollinator meadow. This is for the environmentally conscious homeowner who wants their house to give back to nature. It's ideal for progressive, eco-minded communities in places like Portland, Seattle, or Vermont. It is absolutely wild to see how that one dilapidated structure could be reimagined in 12 such incredibly different ways. From dark modern farmhouse to tropical modernist. It just proves that with the right vision, any space can reach its full potential. Which style was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this inspiring, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss our next major makeover. Check the link in the description for more details on these designs. Thanks for watching.